So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today actually I'm using this app AZ Screen Recorder. I'll show you this one, AZ Screen Recorder, as you can see on my screen. Okay, so I have started the recording for the YouTube video. Okay, so today I'll be showing you that how you can make your thumbnail in your mobile phone. So today we are gonna use an app named Poster My Wall. Here's Poster My Wall. It will take a little bit time. Okay, so here's Poster My Wall. It will take a little time. Okay, so if you want to start with scratch, then you have to go on create a design. Come. So here's something, the page here is coming. Okay, restaurant, concerts and bands, coronavirus, and these are the little bit template. These are the templates. Yeah, if you wanna start with scratch, then you have to go on create from scratch on plus sign. Okay, so if you wanna choose anything from here, then you can, but I'm gonna make a thumbnail, so I'm gonna go on width 1280. This is the width, and height is 750 px. Create files. Okay, if you want to upload an image, so you have to go on upload an image. If you want any means colored background, then you can choose from here, pick from palette. But if you don't want, I don't want it, so I'll click on tick. Yes, so here's something my screen looking. So if you want to open this, click on this arrow button, the fourth one. Yes, so now you have to go on add. Here's many means options, which are photo, media, text, layout, clip art, background. So first I'll go on background. Here also these are some these options, so I'll go on upload background. It's opening. Okay, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, so apply. Actually some problems there. So background, upload background. Okay, so I'll choose this one. Apply. Yes, so here's my image. Okay, so now I'll go here. I'll go on text, first on media, add from my audio. Okay, it's media, photo. From my photos. Okay, so here's something like this. I'll choose this Rangoli image. Okay, it's coming. So I'll just choose, I wanna crop crop the image. Okay, I'll crop. Yes, so I'll keep this here a little bit big size. Yes, yeah. Oh no. Okay, so yes, so I will keep this here image. Done. So now I'm gonna add text. Text. Yes, so I'll choose fancy text. I'll go on on happy. Add your text. I'm gonna choose. Yes, I'm gonna write. I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna write Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, right? Yes. Add fancy text. Yes. So we'll keep this here, and once again I'll add fancy text. Happy. I'll write. Yes. Keep enjoying. Enjoy. Yes. Add fancy text. Okay, so I'll keep this here, and then I'll go on Google. Yes, images images of firecrackers yes, going, wait please. Okay, so I'll choose some from these images. I'll choose clip art Diwali firecrackers. Okay, so I'll go with this, and then I'll take a screenshot. Okay, perfect. So now I'll go on post my wall. No. My full design went. Okay, but okay, first we'll start once again. Okay, sorry. Yes, so we'll close it. We'll create a design. As I told you everything in my previous design. Okay, so I'll just pause the video and then I'll do it. Okay, so now I have done this once again. Happy Diwali, keep enjoying. Then I have to add one photo. Once again add.
आप 15 सेकंड में बनाइए अपनी व्हाट्सएप दुकान एकदम फ्री में और सामान बेचिए ऑनलाइन। पहले अपने
cross photos from my photos, upload photos. Yes, this one. Yes, it will come. Okay, so I wanna crop the image. Crop. Okay, so I will keep this photo here. हाँ जा रही हूँ. Okay, actually it comes in. Okay, so I'll keep this here properly. Yes, done. So here's my photo, means my thumbnail ready. So I'll go here. I'm gonna download this basic image. Okay, download, save file, done. So we have completed making our thumbnail in our mobile phone easily. Okay, so once again I'll show you. The app is Poster My Wall. Poster My Wall. It will look something like this. Poster My Wall. You have to put no space, and you have to just type it on the Play Store, and then you have to download it. Yes, see, I have already downloaded. So Poster My Wall. Okay, so there's one more app called Canva. This is Canva app. On this also you can make means thumbnails, but if you want to use this, you should, I recommend that you should use this app on laptop or computer, because there these means more designs for backgrounds and many things come. So use that. On You have to just type in new tab, and you have to use. It's better to use in laptop, but Poster My Wall is easy to use in mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll meet in my next video. Bye guys.